In this video, we're going to show you how to unbox your Meistergram PR-1500. We strongly suggest for safety reasons that you ask for help when unboxing the machine. First, take the box and turn it on its side. Using a box opener, cut the bottom of the box open, exposing the lower part of the foam containing the machine. Carefully turn the box right side up and slide the box up and away from the foam packaging. Remove the plastic cover and begin removing the accessories that come included with the machine. The package includes a manual, flat table, cap hooping station, power cord, flat table brackets, thread rack brackets, 2 cap hoops, table and frame hardware screws, cap frame clips, thread cone holder accessories, thread tubes, cap frame clips, 2 sets of hoops. Your machine is protected by foam packaging. Remove the foam cover, exposing the machine. You'll need to remove the toolbox. Continue removing the foam packaging. Thread rack. At the lower part of the machine, you will also find the tubular hoop brackets. Take your machine and place it on your assembled stand, making sure that the bottom bases fit inside the cups that are included on the stand. Your machine is now unpacked, set on the stand, and ready for the initial setup. If you haven't assembled your stand, please watch our previous video as we show you how to unpack and assemble the stand. Thanks for watching another Meistergram how-to video. Until next time.